dela. Sou do morro. Aí é muito fácil, professor é 6, 7, 20 mais 20.
Good morning everyone. My name is Melvin Dinaraya and I'm from DOL 4A. So today we are going to demonstrate the operation of the reciprocating compressor. So including the startup process, normal operation and shutdown procedure. So a reciprocating compressor is a positive displacement compressor that compress gas using a piston moving inside a cylinder. It is commonly used in the oil and gas plant, petrochemical plant and industrial application. So before starting the compressor, we must perform several pre-start check-up. First, ensure the work area is safe and free from any hazard. Next, check the lubricating oil level and make sure it is within the normal operation range. And inspect the cooling system. Confirm the cooling water is available. And check that the suction and discharge valve are in the correct position according to the operation range or procedure. So finally, verify that all instruments such as pressure gauge, temperature indicator, vibration monitor are functioning properly. Once all the checks are complete, start the lubricating oil pump if required and confirm that the oil pressure is sufficient. Then start the compressor motor by pressing the start button. Allow the compressor to reach its normal operating speed while observing for any abnormal noise or excessive vibration. After the compressor becomes stable, it is ready for normal operation. So the next is for the normal operation.
Okay, thank you Melvin. During normal operation, the compressor should run smoothly and safely. The operator must monitor the compressor to make sure everything is working properly. The operator should check the suction pressure, discharge pressure, temperature and oil pressure. It is also important to listen for any unusual noise and check for excessive vibration. In addition, inspect the compressor for any oil leak, air leak or sign of overheating. If any abnormal condition is found, stop the operation if necessary and report the problem according to standard operating procedure SOP. This is all for the normal operation. Thank you. I will pass this presentation to my friend.
Okay, thank you Mr. Evan. To shut down the compressor safely, first ensure that the compressor load if it reduced if required. Then stop the compressor according to the standard operating procedure. This is the standard operating procedure. I already put it here. Later you can refer to this standard operating system. After the compressor has stopped completely, close the necessary valve and isolate the power supply if maintenance or inspection is required. Finally, check the compressor for abnormal condition and record the operating data in the logbook. I already put the logbook here, you can refer for it. In conclusion, following the correct startup normal operation and shutdown procedure is essential to ensure safe operation, reliable performance, and a longer service life for compressor. That's all from our group. Thank you for your attention. Ciao.